Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to see the hex color code in Krita. To begin, open the Select a Color window by clicking your foreground or background color box in the top toolbar. This opens a color picker dialog with detailed fields. In that dialog, look for the color name field at the bottom. This is where Krita shows the hex code of the color you currently have selected. If you want a more powerful way to see and enter hex codes, enable the specific color selector Docker by going to Settings, Dockers, then Specific Color Selector. In that Docker, choose an 8-bit RGB color space since the hex input only shows in 8-bit mode. And you'll see a hex field you can read or type into directly. Click inside the hex box to highlight it. You can copy the hex code to your clipboard or paste a new hex code to update your active color, and make sure to press enter after typing. And that's how you see the hex code in Krita. Thanks for watching.